7, so I'm house sitting, and they have 2 dogs, and the names are Froth and Beja. And I said I'd make a video every day, so I'm out of breath because what I'm going to make a video of. I'm going to make a video of me running around the house to entertain the dogs, because right now, on the first day of spring, this is what it looks like outside. Yeah, it's snowing. How sucky is that? Snow, snow, snow. So, running around with the dogs. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this right. Come on, come on, give me. Come on, give me. Oh, the friendly. Come on. Get the puppy, sit. Paw. Good girl. Come on, Beja. I'm going to get your toy. Well, get it from him. Get Beja. Okay. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Look at this one. Oh, you're pretty close. What are you doing? This one. Froth. What are you doing, Beja? And then they have cats. And this is the cat. This is Wrigley. Say hi, Wrigley. Say hi. No? And then there's Miko. Miko's over here, sleeping in the dog bed. Right there. Hi, Miko. Hi, kitty. He's like, leave me alone, I'm sleeping. And the dog wants to play. Froth. You gonna get me? Run. Oh, look at that. Get it, Beja, good girl. Alright, well that's basically it. So I said I'd make a video every day. So I'm making a video. I'll make a video tomorrow. And I'm like completely out of breath. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. Bye.